How to add a Facebook event on calendar. In order to do that, head over here to your three lines and then click on this event option. Once you have done that, just click on the event that you want to actually add on your calendar. I have in here this one, which is on Saturday on October 12th. Now for this one, click on this three dots, and then from there, click on this add to calendar option, and then it should be able to allow it access. So click on this allow access right here, and then add this on which calendar on your Google account. So you can just choose which Google account you want to add this to. And once it's been added, you should be able to see it right here onto your calendar option. So you can just go to your calendar, search for it as well, and then you should be able to see it right around here. So that's how you add a Facebook event on calendar. Hope we helped.